Hey, welcome to the Fast Start training on how to build landing pages, capture pages, autoresponders, an entire sales funnel so you can go out there and get leads and sales for whatever business you're in. The Conversion Pros works with any product, any service you can name, and we're going to show you how to do it. But I wanted to set this video up so you know a couple things before you get started. Number one, as you watch all of our training videos, the reason we have them on video is quite simple, is on a video, you can hit pause, you can hit rewind, you can hit fast forward, you could blow a video up full screen, and you could watch a video over and over and over again. So the way we do our training is kind of like if we were coming to your office or your desk, your computer, and sitting down right next to you, and we say, hey, you see that button right there? Click on that. You see this right here? Type in this. Do this and that. That's what we do. We literally sit there and walk you through everything step by step. Another disclaimer, there is not one single technical skill inside the Conversion Pros. None. So if you say, well, I'm not one of those technical people, good. You don't need to be because there's no technical skills needed. Literally everything in our system is either drag and drop with a mouse, copy and paste, things like that. There is not one technical skill. There's no HTML coding that you need to know. There's no anything complicated. I mean, we even have drop-down boxes that you click a button, connect pages. There is nothing complicated or technical about TCP. So if you think this is going to be some technical nightmare, guess what? It's not. Anything that you're doing on your computer right now, like writing an email or surfing the internet, if you have those skills, that's all you need, because that's all. It's so simple. Again, you might need to pause a video. You might need to say, wow, because a lot of people say, well, you talk pretty fast. Well, that's why we have it on video. So you can hit pause or stop and rewind and watch that same section over and over until you get it. That's the power of videos. So in this section here, we are going to literally show you everything that you need to build entire sales funnel, how to build a capture page, how to build landing pages, how to do video marketing, how to have video backgrounds, how to do autoresponders, how to text message, how to find your links, how to market your pages, you name it, it's all in this section. You probably should follow it in order, but you can read around the subtext and see if there's something you want to learn, and you can click on it. Now, once you click on it, there may be several videos in one section, but the videos will have a description of what it is, and then a video below it, a description of what it is and a video below it, to make it very, very easy for you to simplify how all this stuff works. Again, it's not complicated, it's not technical skill. But that being said, before you even get started, make sure you watch the video on how to download our mobile app to your phone, because as you build pages and you put them out there, the minute you get a lead, literally in about a second, it'll hit your phone, and you can hit a button on your phone and pull up all that lead's data and contact them instantly right from your phone. Everyone loves our phone app. You can get it on Android or you can get it on iPhone, and you want to make sure before you even pass go, you get that on your phone. And that's it. So we'll see you in the trainings below. Look forward to training you and teaching you how this works. Again, there is not one technical skill at all inside of Conversion Pros. If you can copy and paste and use your mouse, click a couple buttons and drag and drop things, that's all you need to do. Very, very easy. We'll see you in the videos.